Hello, welcome to my channel Tech HD.
In this video I will show you how to upload contacts in Google Drive. So first of all we need to go to contacts, then we need to select which contact we want to upload. So here I will select all the contacts. Now I will click share button here. So here you can see there is a Google Drive option or Google Drive icon, so we have to click here. Now you can see there is a option which account we want to upload the content. So I will choose this account and I will go to my drive and create a folder named contacts. And I will create the folder. So now I will click select here. Now if I click save here, the contact will upload automatically. So see there is two file preparing to upload. See the contact is preparing to upload here. So the contact has been successfully uploaded. So if we want to see whether our contact has been uploaded or not, then we need to go to Google Drive and we need to go to the account which we uploaded the contact. So here, so you can see there is a folder named contacts. So if we click, so you can see the contacts has been successfully uploaded here. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.